Pitbull without a collar, robber without a dollar. Me without a mic like Canada without Toronto. I'm known to spit the lava cause I rip it when I wanna. Leaving you hotter than doing calisthenics in the sauna. Coming like piranhas, attacking in all sights. You can lose your hand if you grab at the wrong mic. Kinda like, you mess with us, defense will be your best offense. Cause we get wild like Iron Mike at that press conference. So let's spark this. Brother, don't get me started, you call it your best track, I call it your best garbage. Niggas bragging and bragging like they the hardest, then had it out with the cat and ended up getting slaughtered.
I was taught to never fear nothing. A trained soldier pick you off in a minute, a mile away like I was deer hunting. Scoping you out like your career's nothing. As a matter
England!
Yeah, let me do that right here. How many MCs must get called out? When I'm called up in them clubs, I'm all out. I run them all up, then I blow them all out. I'm that tall scout with a tall cup of that strong stout. I'm all clout, they all drought. I'm all faith, they all doubt. I'm eating freshwater trout. I start pulling them songs out. Clubs start jumping, people ready to fall out. I'm good with them weapons. Keep stepping in any hood, I'm good cause I'm a true legend. By any means necessary, legendary. Return of the boom bap whip premiere, legendary. I send your whole squad to the cemetery. Man, I'm fresh out the seminary. I'm marching step with a divine.
Thomas, man, thanks to my coach. Thank you for your advice.
Dean Thomas is the best.
Dean Thomas is the best. Okay, we're here at the Direct Energy Center, and Dean Thomas is the best.
Nothing left by talking to you. I know, that's fine. Thank you.